In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new data source in Events Manager in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get you set up seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in Meta Business Suite into the search bar. This is the platform where you'll be handling your data sources. Once you've done that, look for the very first result, or specifically the one with facebook.com in the URL, to ensure you're accessing the correct site. If it's your first time on Meta Business Suite, you'll see a Get Started prompt. Click on it and follow the guidance. However, if you've been here before, hover over the avatar icon at the top right corner and click it to log in. You'll need to use your Facebook credentials here, your email address, and password to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Ads Manager section. From here, navigate to the Account Overview tab. This will give you a comprehensive look at what's happening with your account. The next step is to locate the Advertise section. Under this heading, you'll find the Events Manager. Click on that. In the Events Manager, look around for a button that says Connect Data. It might also appear as a green plus icon. Just be on the lookout for it. This is where you start to create your data source. When you click this, you'll be presented with different options for the type of data source you'd like to create: web, app, or offline. Select the one that aligns with your needs. Let's go through each option briefly for clarity. If you choose web, you'll need to enter your website URL. Follow the instructions provided for either partner integrations or manual setup to ensure everything is correctly configured. If app is your choice, you can link to an existing app you have or create a new one from scratch. For offline, it's straightforward. Simply name your dataset and click Connect. After choosing your data source type, proceed by clicking Next. You'll then be asked to enter a unique name for your dataset or pixel. This is important for keeping track of your data effectively. Finally, once you've named everything and double-checked your configuration, click Create or Connect to conclude the setup process. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a new data source in Events Manager. Remember, this process makes it easier to manage and analyze your data effectively, boosting the insights you can draw from your events. Thanks for following along, and happy managing.